Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today I'm going to show you quickly the Nadapeno plant. Not a lot of people know what it is, but it is a jalapeno plant and they grow like this, but these peppers have absolutely zero heat. So you still get the flavor, the size, the color, and everything of a jalapeno, but it has absolutely zero heat. So this is great for people in your house who don't like the spice. You can still make jalapeno poppers, cowboy candy. You do anything you can with a jalapeno with these and you're not going to have the heat. So they grow just like a regular pepper. As you can see, they're treated just like any other pepper that you have. We start them inside early here and then we transplant them out after they've hardened off. But yeah. So you can get the seeds in a couple different places. We've gotten ours at Baker Creek, or I've gotten them in free in a seed trade. I'm going to be saving these seeds to give to other people to try. There's also another plant called the habanero plant, and it's very similar to that in the sense that the peppers grow just like a habanero pepper, but there's no heat on these either. So we experimented with those this year. It was really cool to try. They were pretty prolific. I got enough to do a batch of jalapeno poppers for the freezer, and like I said, I canned up some cowboy candy. So anyways, if you'd like more information or have any questions, just comment below. And that is the Nadapeno plant. We will talk to you later. Bye.